Hi everyone, and welcome back to my crafty adventures. I'm here with a project share for you today. I am part of a swap group, and we were asked to swap with our partners 2 holiday embellishments. I actually have 2 swap partners, so I'm going to be sending out 2 of these books. One I did in the traditional Christmas colors, the reds, the greens, and a little bit of gold. And the second I did in the pastel tones, and I'll show you that in just a minute. I didn't quite know what I wanted to do, so I thought I'll create the embellishments, and then I saw this tutorial online for this little embellishment book, and it caught my attention. It was so easy to follow, and I really enjoyed the whole construction of it. I will link that video below so that you can take a look at your leisure. So like I said, this one's the more traditional one, and I'm going to walk you through it a little bit and just show you some of the things that I'm going to be sending out. So I just layered a piece of the plaid holiday paper here and some embellishments. And you who know me know I like to just keep things very simple and clean. And I really love the way this turned out. I also just put some plaid on the side here and some plaid on the back, and tied it with just a pretty red satin ribbon. Inside, there are 3 pockets, and they're filled with my goodies. I lined the whole inside of this, and then in addition, there is a little box over here with another goodie in it. Now this is all packaged up for the most part, and I'm going to be sending it out later today. But I will walk you through one that I haven't quite assembled yet so that you can have a better sense of what the inside looks like and what the embellishments entail. So this is the pastel one that I put together, and I loved this gingerbread paper. I just did this one a little bit different. I covered the entire page instead of layering it. I'm sorry, the entire cover instead of layering it, as well as the side and the back. And again, just use those pretty minty and pink colors. I actually made this bow with my little We Are Memory Keepers printer because I didn't have any kind of soft colored bows. I had the reds and the greens ribbons, but I didn't have a soft one. So I was able to use this and print some pretty little mint, and they're actually showing up a little bit blue, snowflakes right here on the ribbon, and I tied it with that. As I mentioned, inside there are 3 pockets. There's this first one right here where I will put this embellishment. It's a little coffee cup that I used the dye, and I just added this little gold spoon and a little peppermint and a little sentiment here, and I'm going to put that in the first pocket. And I love this die. I think it's so cute and can be used all year round. Just depends on how you want to decorate it. The second pocket, again, nice and deep, so it goes down to the bottom here, and then the third pocket here at the top, so you're able to fit 3 embellishments inside. The other 2 embellishments I'm going to be adding are this little booklet which I made, which is the night before Christmas, and again, this is a Chaos Craft die. I took I printed off, a little picture of the night before Christmas book cover, and printed that and placed it here on the book die with some gold foil for the book binding and pages. And then I just added this cute little charm, which is little red stars inside. And hopefully they'll enjoy that. I thought it was really cute. And the third, I'm going to be packaging up some of these poinsettias that I made. Some of you may have seen it already on my Instagram. I used a die that I received when I bought my Big Shot, so I suppose it came from Sizzix. It's layered with some gold and some white glitter cardstock, and then those little gold balls that everybody's getting from Dollar Tree I put in the middle. So I'll be packaging up some of those in some cellophane and sending them off as well. In the box part here, I created a little ornament, and these little tin envelopes I've had forever and didn't quite know what to do with them. So I decided to put on a little rosette as if it's a letter to Santa. I added this little embellishment, and I also made this little clip, this little paper clip here to hold in some cut apart cards that they can use, and they kind of look like mail. So those will go right inside the envelope and just be connected with this cute little paper clip, and that will sit inside this box. And it also has a little string so that they can hang it if they choose. And that's pretty much it. I had a lot of fun making this project. I love constructing things more than I like decorating, which I know is the opposite of many of you. So this was a lot of fun, and again, very easy to do and a fun way to send embellishments. So I encourage you to check out the video and give it a try. And I hope you liked what I had to show you today. And I hope I'll see you again at My Crafty Adventures. Until next time, take care, everyone.